What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today, again, more deals. So first up, we have Zorro. Zorro's weird. It's hard finding deals on Zorro. I just wanted to let you guys know that they had 14% cash back at Retail Me Not and 10% cash back at Rakuten. There are also different coupon codes, 10% off Milwaukee. So if you spend $99 or more, plus all that extra, take advantage of that. Link will be in the description. Moving on, we're going to go to Home Depot. Then we're going to skip, then go to Ohio Power Tools, Lowe's, then back to Home Depot. So up at Home Depot, we have this Milwaukee M18 Fuel Impact Wrench. It's the biggest boy of the big boy. $279 on a BOGO. And if you add this extra $159 battery to the BOGO, you end up getting this impact wrench for $177.72. And while that's not as cheap as a lot of people might want to see for an impact wrench, this is cheap as I don't know what for this Milwaukee. I've never seen it this cheap in my life. In fact, I think the only impact wrench I've ever seen around this price, and that was at Lowe's on the Buy More Save More, is actually this. And it's still just $182. This high torque impact wrench from Bosch. So yeah, this Milwaukee's still beating that. But we're going to talk about that Bosch too. But this is still beating it. The only thing is, just make sure you test it as soon as you get it and make sure it's not one of those B group impact wrenches, because the A group were the ones that they had out for so many years, and like last summer they quietly changed their little formula, changed the way to hammer. They changed something in there, and those things was failing like crazy, and they couldn't even remove lug nuts. So go out there, get it, and try to remove some lug nuts. As long as this thing is removing them lug nuts, you in business. So moving on, Ohio Power Tool has some good deals going on. Flex, this rotary hammer drill, $189.99. On a kit, you get a 5 amp hour battery, hard case, rapid charger, and this rotary hammer drill. Now, generally, you find these compact rotary hammer drills for $199 with nothing, tool only. Now, the only thing I wasn't able to see is whether this tool has the hammer only function. And that is going to be important to any good hammer drill. But yes, right here, 4 modes. I already know what it does with the 4 modes. Drilling, hammer drilling, chiseling, and chisel. So that's what you want. The chisel is basically the air hammer. So it has it. Great deal right there, $189. Ohio Power Tools also has this kit. Now, I don't know why this kit looks so rinky-dink, because they really need to learn how to take pictures of their hammer drills and put the darn handle on there, just so we know, oh, it's the big boy. But this is the big boy hammer drill. 1,400 inch-pounds of torque. This is their big boy impact driver with 2,500 inch-pounds with the quick eject collet. $279.99. Okay, 2.5 amp hour battery, 5 amp hour battery, rapid charger, and this soft case. This is normally $399. I know it says $340 now, but they lowered the price even down from that. Normally $399. If you go to Milwaukee and want the equivalent, it's going to be $399. You go to DeWalt and want the equivalent, it's going to be $399. Cobalt has the equivalent for like, I think $299 or $250, but that, they're both Sherwin, and obviously Cobalt's lower than this. So this is the one you want. And also, of course, we have our Flex 5-year warranty, but if you register it within 30 days before the end of the year, it's a lifetime warranty, but you got to keep your receipt, so make sure you do that. Moving on, we have okay, well, I don't know why this is up. We have also, speaking of high torque impact wrenches, we have 3 high torque impact wrenches today. Battle of the impact wrenches. This is going to actually give you the better overall value in terms of impact wrenches, but this is the weaker of the 3. This comes with a 5 amp hour battery, hard case, and a charger for $219.99. Again, also that Founders Day Flex lifetime warranty. You also have some little floodlights down here for $79.99. Then also the drywall cutout tool for $99.99. But I don't like this one. My favorite one is the Bosch, and we about to get to that. So we're just gonna go straight into my my cart right here because there's a Bosch Buy More Save More, and some of these you seen right comes with a free 4-amp-hour battery, y'all. This drywall cutout tool with 2 4-amp-hour batteries, or you can get a starter kit for $69.79. Oh, 71 cents. I just got too excited. $69.71. That is the deal of the month right here. You're not finding anything better than this. Now, here's a cool thing about this bad boy. Let's go see if we can look at the details. Here's a cool thing. You see this little crystal glass encasing, right? Well, that's not what that is. Not just to be cute. It's a little gap right here. This is a dust extractor shroud. Okay? You can remove it and it'll just look like everyone else with this little piece on the end that presses up against the drywall. But it comes with a dust collector. Boom! And it also comes as a BOGO on a Buy More, Save More. And guess what? It's hackable. You can hack Lowe's Buy More, Save More things. You can only, as far as Home Depot goes, you can hack the Buy More, Save More and the Buy One, Get One. But with Lowe's, you can only hack the Buy More, Save More because it zeroes out your free stuff here. As you can see, it just makes it free. So you can't obviously hack free. But you can hack these Buy More, Save Mores. And I'll leave a page to all the things you can choose from, but you can also get their tippy top of the line Pro Factor hammer drill, the one that adjusts like, you know, the tilt and, you know, show you a light to show whether you're straight and all that good stuff. It's a big drill though. For $104.92, it's normally $199, so almost half price. Excellent deal there. And this is actually kind of weird because I'm going to show you a Makita drill that's not so outstanding for $99, but it's a kit, so but still this is a better overall value. And then again, of course, you have the high torque impact wrench for $182.37 on this Buy More Save More. If you spend $450, you save $150, and everything here came out to be $357. I didn't try to like super maximize everything like I could have. Now I'm curious. Okay. We finally got it worked out. So Lowe's website is super weird. So anyway, I had to like lie about my zip code. I had to lie about a whole bunch of stuff, but finally picking them up at the same store. Look at what we have now. We have this impact wrench for $175.81. And we also have this drywall screw gun for $73.99 with 2 4-amp-hour batteries. And we have this drywall cutout tool for $67.20 with 2 4-amp-hour batteries. Bruh. And this could be hacked. So you could buy all this and then just return the impact wrench if you ain't want to spend the $317 for all of this. This was an incredible deal. And just keep these two, which makes this, what, $100 and something. I think I'm going to do this. Woo! I can sell 2 batteries, man. All this stuff is just free. Anyway, that is the sweetest deal of the day. Okay. All right, moving on over back to Home Depot. We're going to wrap this up. But, hey, if you like these deals, if you appreciate these deals, please consider subscribing and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss anything in the future, okay? Going back to Lowe's, I almost forgot something. Rakuten. All right, so that's another thing. Rakuten. You also get 2% cash back, and if you're new to Rakuten, you can sign up using the link in the description, and you'll get a bonus $30 cash back when you buy this stuff. Then also, if you've already done that, then use Retail Me Now and get 3% cash back. So moving on over back to Home Depot, we got this Ryobi Whisper Jet. This fan, I love this fan. I paid more than this for it. I paid $59 for mine and was happy, but I didn't get a battery. This has a battery included. Get it while it's getting good. All right, and now we have this. I said that wrong. Get it while the getting's good is what I meant to say. Now we have this Makita, what I was talking about earlier. It's a brushless drill. Okay, but it's a 1/2 inch with the metal chuck and all. It's a high quality drill for $99. Get a 3-amp-hour battery, charger, and a bag. It's not a hammer drill. We talking about 440 inch pounds, whereas that Flex, oh, it was, my bad, it was the Bosch. Whereas this Bosch for 109, you know, is a much better drill. It's a much better drill. It does way more, but you have to hack it, and then you end up paying 109 for it. So you can just play around whichever one you want. I'll leave them all in the description below. Moving on, we have this Milwaukee polisher with a 6 amp hour high output battery for $299. Man, these polishers are expensive. The polishers themselves are normally like $429, something reckless, or like $399, and you get that and a battery for $299. Excellent deal right there. And finally, last but not least, we have this Rigid 7.5-inch job site fan. The funny thing is, the Rigid, of course, the Rigid is going to come with a lifetime service agreement. This also comes with a 2 amp hour battery. It's $79 though, so $20 extra over the ryobi. The ryobi is going to likely be quieter. This says decibels less than 50 decibels here. 670 CFM. I mean, obviously, when we're comparing, and then also it's hybrid, so it can be plugged in and battery operated. The ryobi is the same way. It's also a hybrid. It could be plugged in or battery operated. It does not give us any specs though. It just say it's quiet, and then it say it's just blow air. So I mean, I don't have any complaints with this, but I don't know. Maybe you could try them both. I don't know. But if you already in one battery line, that's the one I would go with. Rigid is the bigger brother of ryobi, but lately I don't know. Ryobi been, I don't know. They've been stepping up their game. There you go. $79 there. They're basically the same. This one gives more specs. I would think that this will probably blow more air, move more air for real, but I think that also it's probably gonna be louder. So if that bothers you, go with the ryobi. This also has hooks. Whatever, I don't know. Pick your poison. It's up to you. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.